Hey you guys, it's your girl Zaya. Today I'm back, and I am back with another banger video today. Today I am going to be doing a what on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, y'all. So y'all, before I get into it, I want to go ahead and say I'm sorry I haven't really been posting, but I'm gonna try my best to get consistent with it, cause like why not? Yeah, so I just put my LED lights up and I was like, hold on, I might as well do a little video for my people. Like, come on now. Before we get into it, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, because if not, what are y'all doing? Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram, it'll be on my screen. Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok, it'll be on the screen, because like, come on now, y'all. Yeah. This is my phone right here. Yeah, don't mind, it's a little dirty. So it looks like I got the blue, I think, or y'all let me know this. I think it's blue, unless this is the gray. Yeah, I don't know, maybe that's it. And y'all, I got this case from Shein, just for people that wants to know. It works decent. It's not one of those cases that's gonna like make sure your phone don't break. It just keep, you know, a nice little cheap case. I got more, but you know, I like to trade them out. I like to switch them every now and then. We're finna get into this video, cause yeah, don't mind y'all. I'm listening to some music, but y'all, I don't think y'all can hear it. So 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all, so this is my lock screen. I'm not gonna take too long on here because I know how they like to turn off, and yeah, so this is my lock screen, y'all. I got different ones right here. I like to switch them up, but for right now I'm just gonna stay on this one because I just took these pictures, and yes, I ate the girls up. I did. Thank you very much. Oh, see, it turned off quick. 1, boom. All right, y'all, we back into it. So we're gonna start over here on this slide, y'all. My stuff is really not organized, but I don't really care, so yeah. First thing we got, y'all, at the top is a calendar. I don't really use calendar. Yeah, I know we're finna go into 2023, and y'all, I want to go ahead and say Christmas is in 2 days, y'all. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so if I don't post by then, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope everybody's safe. So yeah, that's my calendar, y'all. This is my photos. I got 2,050. I feel like that's not a lot compared to other people, but hey. I got mail, 19,000. I got notes, y'all. Notes will always come in handy. I'm not gonna show too much because they got my passwords and stuff in there, but notes will always come in handy, especially for the girls. I'm sure there's dudes out there that use it too, so yeah. I got reminders. I don't use reminders. I got news. I got TV, podcast. I don't use none of that. I don't use wallet. Settings is kind of self-explanatory. Come on now. I'm not going there because yeah, y'all know what settings is. At the bottom, y'all, I got messages. I got music. Y'all go add me in my music, y'all. Pretty Zaya _ I put it on the screen for y'all. My music, I like my music. Y'all can go add some songs to y'all playlist. Oh shoot, sorry y'all, I thought I heard somebody. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, y'all, so I have music, then I have my Safari, y'all. I was trying to put in an application for public, so that's why I'm in there. Then I got calls. I'm not going in there because why y'all need to know my business. Then y'all, when I go over, I got camera. Yeah, and I'm always okay. I got FaceTime. I'm not going in there because why y'all in my business. I got clock, y'all. Are y'all one of them that be having like 1,000 clocks? Because I recently just deleted some because I used to have more than it. I used to have too many. Then y'all got App Store. Y'all know what App Store is. I got utilities. I don't use none of these. Now, when I was in Spanish class, I did use Translate. The girls that get it. Y'all know. And then shortcuts. I don't use shortcuts no more. I got health. I got watch. I use the watch app for my Apple Watch. I don't have it on right now, but I got tips. Oop. I got tips. I got weather. Y'all don't need to know my location. Then I got find my iPhone because, bro, she blowing my phone up and I got it on Do Not Disturb. Like, what? I got finances. That's stocks, home. I don't use that. I got iTunes, Apple Store, support. Yes, y'all. I be using support because Apple, I stay having something going on with this phone, and I be needing to chat. What's going on? Let's get it fixed. What's, come on. Y'all got Chipotle. Y'all know the vibes. I got Chick-fil-A, and then I got Happy Lighting. Happy Lighting is to change my lights on here. Look. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But I kind of like, I think I like this purple vibe right now. When I scroll over, y'all, this is all the fun stuff, all the goody goods. So, hold on, yeah. All the goody goods is right here. So let's first start off in social media. Let me make sure I got enough space right there. I have TikTok, y'all. Go follow a girl on TikTok. Come on now. We're on the road to 600. My TikTok will be right here at the bottom. And it'll be, you can see it right there. I got Facebook and Messenger. I'm not going in there because that's for family members only. I got Gmail, y'all. Come on now. I got Snap. Y'all can go add me on Snap. It's Zaya Hill 1. I might add you back, but I don't know. I got Instagram. We on the road to 2,000. Y'all know the vibes. You can type in that's .Zaya with 2 A's and an underscore at the end. And yeah, that's my Instagram. I don't really post pictures, but I do be posting on my stories sometimes. And sometimes I post on my close friends. So if y'all want to get added to my close friends, just let me know. I got maps. I don't know why I have maps in here because it's not a social media. But I got Pinterest, y'all. I used to love Pinterest, but then Pinterest started getting a little boring. I'm not even gonna lie. Some people say like they love Pinterest, but to me it's just, I'm like, when I need you, I'll come to you, but I'm not finna just scrolling up Pinterest all day, you know? But I got y'all can go add me, but as my name, I got Young Boy because I'm a Young Boy fan. Don't play with me. Y'all know the vibes. Really nothing much about Pinterest. Then we got YouTube, y'all. I have YouTube. You know what YouTube is because you're watching my video. And I got YouTube Studio. Sorry if I'm talking low. My granny is sleeping. Well, she's like in the other room. She's sleeping, so I'm trying my best not to be loud. Oh, but this is YouTube Studio is the app that you need. If you're like a small YouTuber and you're starting your channel, get YouTube Studio. It shows you like you can reply back to comments. You can see how many people viewed your account. You can see how much money you're making on YouTube. Like YouTube Studio helps with a lot. Then y'all, we got, I named this for the broke because a girl do be broke sometimes. But I got Shein, y'all. If you don't have Shein on your phone, what are you doing? Bro, Shein is like the app right now. And I want to do a Shein haul, but a girl, like I said, BROKE. Broke, babes. Then y'all, we got Fashion Over. We got Amazon. We got Blush Mark. And we got Cash App. Y'all can go send a girl some money. Like, I'll put that Cash App on the screen. No, I'm just playing. I got Fetch. Fetch is like an app that you use, like where you scan receipts and then you get points for it. It's pretty cool, and then you can cash it out and you can get you a gift card. You can buy stuff with it. I'm at 13,000. Don't play with me. I can go ahead and go into it just to show you. I got 13,435. Then y'all got PayPal. The only reason why I got PayPal was to do that Timu method where everybody was sending links to people and like everybody and their mama got it now. Everybody and their mama got it, so there's really no point of having it anymore. But if y'all know the way on how to make money easy, let a girl know, please. Then y'all, we got school. I got Power School. That's the app that I use to check my grades. I have Outlook. I used to use that to email my teachers, but the new school that I'm going to now, they don't even use Outlook for real, so I might delete it. I got Photomouth because y'all know. And then I got Gas. Y'all, Gas was like the app 2 months ago, and I don't even know why I still got it because people was hyping it up, and I'm just like, I don't care what y'all think about me, babes. You can think like, but some of y'all be having some nice, y'all be clicking me for the good stuff, but Gas is really not it anymore. It's kind of giving boring. Then y'all, we got the Google folder. I have Google Photos. I use that because a girl be running out of storage. Plus, I done got new phones and stuff. So, like, I be needing to back this stuff up. I need to be able to save these pictures, save these videos, because why not? And y'all, and I'm paying $1.99 a month. Baby, broke. Broke, okay? Then y'all got Chrome. I don't even use Chrome. I don't even know why I still got it, but it's uninstalled, so it don't even matter. Then y'all got the random folder. I got Hotspot Shield. I use that because y'all know school Wi-Fi be trash. Like, school Wi-Fi is trash, bro. Well, some schools. Let me start. Some schools are trash. Then y'all got MQ. I use MQ to like open up our garage and to close it. I got Life 360 because me and my friend, we like to, we be weird. We like to stalk each other like, oh yeah, you better be at that house. Like, quit playing with us. Then y'all got MetaQuest. I don't know how you say it, but it's the Oculus Quest 2. I got it connected to my phone. Yeah, mainly just to look to see what the person's doing on the little visual thing. Then y'all, we got Hungry, because the girl do be hungry. Don't play with us. I don't even know why I have the shop app in here, but I got DoorDash, y'all, and like, I used to always DoorDash, but now I'm gonna stop DoorDash because I be seeing people on TikTok, they be eating people food. People crazy these days. So yeah, I uninstalled it because baby, you not finna play with my food. You not finna play with my food, and that's on that. Okay. Then y'all got Shop. Shop is the app that I use to track my to track my clothes, and not clothes, but any packages that I order. But yeah, it's just to show me how far it is, when it's gonna be here. Then y'all got McDonald's. I don't even go to McDonald's for it. I don't even know why I got the app. I only go like once a month, and barely once a month, like every couple of months. But I've been wanting to use it, get some points, baby, and the next time I go, get the food for free, okay? Then y'all, we got something to watch because the girl be bored sometimes. But I used to have Hulu, and then I uninstalled it because I barely watch stuff on my phone. I watch stuff on TV. So I used to watch Hulu. I got Roku because my TV is a Roku TV. I got Roblox. I don't even know why I have this in this folder, but my sister be begging me to play with her, so that's really the only reason why I got Roblox. I got Disney Plus. I logged out of my account, but I might log back in. I got Netflix, y'all. Y'all, I need some new shows to watch. Like, y'all comment down below some shows for me to watch, and if y'all like put some shows I already watched, I'm just gonna be like, thank you, but I already watched them shows. I got Fire TV because we got a Fire TV downstairs, so if we lose that remote, yeah. Luckily, I still got this remote. Yeah, luckily I still got this one. I got Wiz, y'all. Wiz is the app really to honestly just make friends, or but I barely be on it. I honestly forgot about this app. If I'm being dead serious, I'm not even gonna go in there. But I don't even be on Wiz for real. Then y'all, I got my editing app, which I should have put this with my YouTube folder. I don't know, yeah, my stuff is so unorganized, but I was just like, let me post with my people. Like, come on up. Y'all, Grace, I need something to drink, baby. I need something to drink, okay? But I got Velo. Velo is a good app to edit, to use for editing. I got Video Editor. That's a good editing app. I got PixArt and Fonto. Those are the apps I use to make thumbnails and banners. And I got Canva. I use that to make my thumbnails and my intros. And I got CapCut, or is it CapCut? I use that to edit my videos. And Pixel Cut, I use that to make my thumbnails sometimes. And I got Studio. I use that to edit my videos. And Ultralight, I use that to edit my thumbnails, y'all. Girl was running out of breath, okay? Hold on. Okay, and then when we scroll over, we got Widgetsmith. I use that to like make the little widgets up there, like with the battery percentage thing. I use that to put that there in this picture of me. And then when we scroll over, I have contacts. Come on now. I got fitness. I don't use that. I got files. I don't really use that. I got books. Don't use that. In utilities, I don't use none of these but calculator. And last but not least is voice memos. And that's honestly it. Like, I done went through all my apps, and I'm gonna stop screen recording. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys. And y'all, that was the end of this video. Like, I just showed y'all that was all in my phone. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have a very great Christmas. Make sure y'all know what Christmas is about, okay? My mom be giving me the speech all the time. It's not about gifts. It's about celebrating God's birthday, y'all. But yeah, Y'all let me know in the comment section below what videos y'all want me to post. Like I said, go like, comment, subscribe. Go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. And make sure y'all comment down hashtags #babies in the game. And once we get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.